Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be creating spreads in my wellness planner. So it is for the week of August 29th through September 4th. I am going to be using stickers from Live Love Posh, her summer book, I think. So in case you're not familiar, this is a classic size happy planner. It is a Mio planner from the Happy Planner. So I pulled both Hello Summer and the Whimsical Summer from Live Love Posh, and that's what I am using. So I wanted to use these beautiful palms and these florals. It is kind of the end of the summer, right? Once August is gone, it feels like that's kind of the end of summer, so I still want to create a summery spread. For those of you who are joining me for the first time, welcome! I really hope you like it here. For those of you who are coming back to me and spending more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I am so thankful for you guys. So I'm just gonna add a couple more floral elements, and I'm gonna keep this pretty simple since I do use this to meal plan the whole week. And I'll do that with you guys, so you will see in just a second what a week of my meals looks like. I'm just gonna add few more of these smaller details that I really enjoy in my planner, and we'll go from there. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit more to the bottom up here, so it doesn't look so empty, like so. And I think that's good. So let's go ahead and pull out my cheat sheets, which I create all of these dinner ideas, and then I do my meals based on that. So I have some hard-boiled eggs for breakfast or smoothies. Those are usually my go-to. Breakfast skillets. So I have a little bit more time this week, so I'm going to be making most of my meals at home. So I'm only working Monday, Tuesday, and then I'll be home. So I'll be catching up on some house stuff, but I'll be able to eat more of a structured meals, and I'll have a little bit more time to create dinners. So I'll make a rainbow orzo salad, which I love making those, you guys. They're so good and they're so beautiful. So I have crispy sesame chicken, which I love. For dinner, sloppy joes for sure. I haven't done those, I think, ever. So Greek salad, which is my favorite salad out of salads. Okay, and then let's do pad thai. And then the rest of the week, so I'm gonna do some oatmeal. Avocado toast, I love that. Cherry tomato couscous salad, I love that too. So I'm gonna be making some simple dishes that I really like. Grilled potato salad for Friday. Breakfast skillet. Biscuits and gravy maybe for breakfast, for brunch on Sunday. I've never made that recipe, but I think I would like to try. I'm gonna do some broccoli salad with nuts on Saturday. I think that's a good idea. And enchiladas. Taco skillet pizza. I saw this recipe that called for cornbread as a pizza substitute, and I thought that was kind of genius, so I want to try. Beef and pepper skillet, and then on Sunday I might make chili. And that's pretty much my whole week in meals. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now let's move on to my wellness planner. So same week, so we're looking at August 22nd through September 4th. This planner is called Listen to Your Heart. It is a wellness layout, so it has intention, nourish, movement, and a little bit of journaling space, but I use it a little bit differently, and you guys will see it in just a bit. So what I wanted to do with the spread is maybe let's do a lemon spread. I haven't done a lemon spread in a while, and I still have these stickers left over from Live Love Posh with pink lemonade, well, pink lemonade stand and then lemon stickers, which I thought was very fitting, so I'm gonna go ahead and use those. And this should be fairly quick. Lemonade, look how cute. So I'm gonna pull up this sticker because I don't like it in the middle of the page like this, so I'm gonna move it up, and hopefully that will look much better. But before I rip my page and my sticker, let's do some magic with our undo. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think that works fairly well. And now I have some more lemons to add, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Take a look. I'm just pulling this backing to put part of a sticker back. Okay, there we go. So I have this large lemon, and I don't know where to put it just yet, so I'll figure that out in just a second. But I do want to use this huge lemon leaf. I'm gonna cut this right up that line. Perfect. And I can add that to the side. Yeah, that looks much better. I wish these lemons weren't on a blue backing. I think this would look much better, but what can I do, right? Okay. I'm gonna add some pink flowers to bring in the pink out of the card, because that's a lonesome color on the page by itself. So let's see how that goes. Okay, I think that's much better. I'm gonna add some lemon right to the side. Now it's very lemony with some pink flowers. I think this will look a little bit better once I write in it. I know it looks kind of awkward right now, but that's because the colors are not really all over the place. But once you write in it, I think it will look better. So I need some black boxes. I don't like that. And find some black boxes. I just have the basic black book from the Happy Planner, and that's what I'm doing. So I added 2 boxes and I cover it up because instead of intentions, I track my sleep and mood in here, and then instead of just movement, I do movement and medications for myself. So any kind of supplements I take and so on. And I took yellow and pink markers, and I'm just gonna make some little bullet points, aka dots, on my page. So I'm doing yellow in the middle. So so it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then on the top 2 and on the bottom two again, like so. Okay. And that's pretty much it. My spread is done. I hope you guys had fun with me. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's always a lot when I do 2 spreads in one video, but that's kind of my wellness journey. Anyhow, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks!